In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view activity on a contact record in HubSpot. Whether you're managing customer relationships or simply trying to keep tabs on the interactions your business has with prospects, this straightforward guide will help you seamlessly navigate through HubSpot's features to access the information you need. Let's dive right in and start with the basics. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're already familiar with HubSpot, you'll know this is where you can access all the powerful tools this platform has to offer for managing your business operations smoothly. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a login button. Give that a click to proceed. If you've saved your login details, HubSpot might take you straight into your account. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home. This is essentially the control center for all your HubSpot activities. From here, you'll want to navigate to the CRM or Customer Relationship Management section. CRM is crucial because it's where all the contact records are maintained. It's like the digital filing cabinet for all your business interactions, which is what makes it so valuable. After clicking on CRM, you'll be presented with a menu. Look for the Contacts option and select it. This is where all your individual contact records are stored. Each contact acts like a mini portal into the history your business has had with them, encompassing emails, calls, meetings, and more. Now, once you are in the Contacts section, you will see a list of all your contacts. Go ahead and choose the contact whose activity you want to view. When selecting a particular contact, you're drilling down into their specific record, which is packed full of detailed insights and interactions. Inside the contact's record, you'll find several tabs. To locate the activities associated with this contact, click on the Activities tab. This will show you an organized timeline of interactions you've had with them. Here you can see everything from calls and meetings to emails and notes that have been logged. This chronological list helps you understand the history and progression of your relationship with this contact, allowing for more informed follow-up actions or personalized communication strategies. Viewing these activities not only keeps you informed, but also enables you to tailor your interactions in a way that feels personal and attentive to the contact's needs. This is particularly useful for sales and support teams who need to maintain a high touch level with clients and prospects. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and observed the activity on a contact record within HubSpot. This ability to view detailed interactions is pivotal for maintaining an efficient and responsive communication strategy with your contact base. As you become more familiar with HubSpot, you'll find these processes become second nature, enabling you to extract maximum value from your contact records. Thanks for joining me today, and happy HubSpotting.